What's good, family? It's your boy DB with the Subi. Just real quick, I was going through a couple things, and 84% of you guys that watch me are not subscribed to me. If you are not subscribed, could you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me? It helps me get on the recommended pages, and it helps me get closer to my goal. I'm trying to get monetized on YouTube, so it'll be greatly appreciated. The 12% that are subscribed, I really appreciate it, and I hope y'all stick around. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy D, and today I'm gonna be telling you a must-do for your 2011 Subaru WRX. We'll get straight into it. So, if you own a 2011 Subaru WRX, it comes with a little duck lid. It's really ugly. I got the STI spoiler. And when you replace it, it's gonna have holes all on the trunk. You have to plug them, or they make like a centerpiece that goes across the top that you can put on there as well. But I decided I got the holes filled and got the whole trunk painted. As you can see, the car is filthy, by the way. But can't even tell. I can't even tell, but it has like blue speckle in it. It looks really good. They painted the whole entire trunk, so this got painted as well. If you got a Subaru, you know they have this like a gray color, but now it's the same color as my whole entire trunk and my whole entire car. But when they painted it, they broke my diffuser at the bottom there. They went up a curb and they were bent. So they're gonna reimburse me. I bought a new one. I'm gonna be going with a gloss black one. And they're gonna be a little spikier. They're not gonna be the rounded ones. And as you can see, down here, I have mud flaps now. Y'all hear my knees, I'm getting old, but I have mud flaps now. And I love how it looked. It was well needed. Makes it look more beefy. Definitely feeling that. Take y'all all the way around. My car needs a wash in the worst way. Yeah, looks a lot better. But back to the trunk. Got the wing painted because the wing was like a satin white and my car is like pearl white. So got paint mats. I got my car back in the day. It was the longest day ever, I swear. You don't know how much you appreciate your car until it's gone. Like, my car's literally gone for 24 hours and I felt like I was dying. But another thing I'm thinking about is putting my all-wheel drive badge back on there. I kind of miss it being there. I don't know why I took it off. But I mean, with just the WRX sign, it's pretty cool. It's different. Not a lot of people just run that badge by itself. So if you know me, DB with the Subi, I like to be different. I don't want to do anything else. Anything that anybody else is doing, I want to be different. But yeah, I got the mud flaps yesterday. Put them on, I got a really good deal. I got them for $60. And if you know, these things are like $160, $170 or something like that. Had to cop. But the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna powder coat my wheels. I'm gonna do them black. Unfortunately, I do not want to do black wheels, but I'm gonna do something just to give it a look for the meantime. It'll be version 1. Version 2 gonna be a lot better. Get some wheels. But gonna powder coat the wheels, get some spacers on there. And then we will be getting coilovers really soon. This all should be happening in the next month, all of it. I mean, when I do that, that's pretty much it. We're gonna be all good to go. We'll just save up for some wheels. It's time for new tires, like that. I don't know if you could tell, but it's definitely time for new tires. So I don't want to have to get new tires on these wheels because I want to go with an 18-inch wheel. So I'm essentially going to have to buy tires twice, which I don't want to have to do. But with these mud flats, it's gonna make a big difference. My car is filthy, by the way. Don't judge her. Y'all get to see the real her. Nah, I usually keep her clean pretty often. I need to replace that badge too. That badge will be black and white eventually. I need to go ahead and order that. But I don't know if I mentioned in my last video that I had side skirts. I think I might have. But installing these mud flaps was kind of difficult. It was easy in the front. So with the back ones, it was difficult because my diffuser was down there. And I took my diffuser off and I didn't need to, and it was hard to put back on. It was bad. And if y'all remember me saying earlier, I'm gonna be getting another diffuser, so that's gonna be another fight trying to get it off. But I'm kind of sketchy about if it's gonna stay on in the back or not. It only has one connector at the bottom, like at the bottom, right under there. I don't even know if this. I don't even know. I don't know. But I'm sketchy about that falling off. Not too much worry about the front. The fronts are pretty stable as far as like how it's installed. Not worried about that. But while installing this side, I over tightened the top one and I broke the stud. And yeah, I don't know if you can see, but it's zip tied. So we're gonna fake it till we make it. Only me and you know, so don't tell nobody that my car is rigged. Please don't tell nobody. That's just gonna be our secret. But really happy with how the car is coming along. It's definitely going. Like I said, we should have coilovers. We should have the wheels powder coated. We should have spacers at least by the end of May. Like May is the month where we like completely take off and this car is going to transform. I'll probably pop out a little bit more and go to a little bit more car meets. But if you don't know already, I'm not really a fan of how my car looks right now. Everybody be like, why? I'm just like, it's just not ready yet. It's not ready to be seen. But if y'all like it, I love it. I should have got that painted when I got my trunk painted. I'm probably gonna take it back to get that painted and to get those painted, like the door and the bottom of the side skirts. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all a little update on the little white ghost. Still treating me well. 52,000. Got an oil change coming up in 2,000 miles. I have to remind myself. But that is what you should do if you have a 2011 WRX. You got to get rid of that trunk lid. It's disgusting. Get the STI wing. I don't care what nobody say. If anybody got problems, they can see me outside. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that and definitely mud flaps. Cause I feel like this car lacks shape in the back. Like I always hated how the back looks, but now it got shape. Like she got thighs, she thick. You know what I'm saying? Like she kind of thick. But yeah. Anyways though, make sure you follow me on the gram at DB with the Subi. All the way up to when I hit 150 followers. I'm gonna be following everybody back. I think I said 200 before. Either 150 or 200. I'll correct it on the screen. But everybody that follows, I'm gonna be following back. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.